Hi guys, welcome to Reviewer YouTube channel. My name is AK. In this video, I will review with Affiliate Marketing Boss. So watch video completely guys. Don't channel it the like guys. If you are watching and first time in my channel, hit the like button, smash the subscribe also guys. Let's get started. If you are a one and only click away from 100 of free viral visitor as a little of 60 seconds guys. Yes guys, I promise you guys. No need any tech skills or no need any experience needed for this. Definitely this product really worthful guys, because I will explain in this video each and every step guys. So watch video completely guys. Are you sick and tired of seeing your PayPal account empty every day? Have you tried everything you know about affiliate marketing but still not getting the desired result for you? So this is the 100% free traffic guys. It's 100% beginner friendly, work in any niche could think of, complete step-by-step training. You don't need website, no coding or design skill required, and brand new method that never been released in, and used 100% free buyer traffic that convert like crazy, and 30-day money back guarantee. This is also for this benefit guys. Now we'll see guys the main part. 100% free traffic, so you never have to spend more money on ads. If you do things the right way, you will get the result like this guys. You see this image guys, today affiliate snapshot and yesterday affiliate snapshot, this seller snapshot of this JVZoo account. Now we will see guys two things the wrong way, and this is like what you see today affiliate and yesterday affiliate, today yesterday something, the before after you will get the result. It's promise guys, because it's also provided 6-day money back guarantee guys. So don't miss it guys. I will explain guys. If you don't make any money in this next 30 days using this method, then I will refund all the money back to you. That is the method guys. Definitely this really is trustable product and trustable method guys, because nobody can provide for this type of strategy, this type of challenge. Once you will purchase this product, you will make money in 30 days. You will not make any money, just your money will be refunded in your bank within easy days guys. So now we'll see guys, only 3 steps to start. Step 1 copy, and step 2 post, and step 3 earn money. And to make absolutely sure you get the result, the best result is possible to have created the ultimate step-by-step guide that will take you to by the hand and show you exactly how everything is done, and even if you are a total beginner. Okay, now we'll see guys daily affiliate sales snapshot. I'll see guys, it's also for this daily earn the commission of your account, send the mail of your Gmail. Now we'll see guys, this product costs for $12.75 guys. Very less price, a very cheap price guys. The reason most people, especially beginner like you, are still stuck in the because you are dubbing and not taking things seriously. So you are lazy, suffer from shiny object syndromes, and don't believe this really works, lack energy, drive and motivation, and no support from family, and no tech skills, and no being on camera, and no tech setting up your funnel, no previous experience, and no paid advertising, and no huge budget. So now it's your turn guys to enjoy free viral traffic and sales, and congrats, your search in this over. It's affiliate marketing boss level, the playing field for the small guy who is just starting out. It's a designed and built for the beginner to get a viral visitor to and get your can effortlessly and get viral visitor without any of the following guys. The key to real online success is getting free buyer leads. Here this why, because the buyer list is so powerful guys. So you see this chat guys, you can work is a lot of less to spend your time doing the thing that you want to do, and with free traffic you can create a real passive streams of your income without using any paid traffic sources, and making money while you sleep is the ultimate rush and the key to creating this life of freedom. You never look for royalty after today because every dollar, so you make it going to your bank account, happiness and fulfillment and freedom at every level, more free time and good night's sleep. So why you need this? Because first you will get infinity free traffic for your offers. Second, passive income provides with you the freedom in your life. It do things you want to do when you want to do them. Third, imagine being able to go to vacation and getting paid. And fourth, and the best part is, you are getting paid while you do the things that you want to do. Most people that try internet marketing fail, but why? Most people do a lot of wrong things when it comes to getting traffic, not because it's hard, but because they are try to wing it and just figure it out all their own, in many cases by looking at free resources and methods online that may be outdated or just plain it out don't work. And again, when people struggle with this traffic, it's not because it's all the hard. It's because the key to success with internet marketing is based on paying close attention to the little details. So, hi there, this is Muhammad Al Faq. This is a vendor of this product, guys. It's past 7 years of the digital marketing field. I have tried lot of different methods. So, truth be told, guys, very few of them actually worked. But I keep coming back to affiliate marketing and list building because no matter what's happening in this economy, people need solution to problem and continue to pay for them. With a list and an affiliate account, you can get a slice of those never-ending sales. It's worked for me. I am now one of the top earning affiliate marketer on the platform, and the platform ranked vendor and another solved the put all my experience step-by-step system that allows anyone to get buyer traffic for free and to do what I do without the learning curve and expensive trial and error. This is the introducing the affiliate marketing boss, guys. It's 100% free traffic, beginner friendly, work in any complete step-by-step training. You don't need any website and no coding needs skills, and brand new method never been released. 100% free buyer traffic, 30-day money back guarantee. The easiest, not most proven high quality buyer list. No more waiting for result in less 24 hours. The free traffic to get high quality buyer leads, guys. This is the inside the buy you will get to find step-by-step training. Learn you how to get traffic for free. So still wondering how this benefit you? It's literally freedom as a box. If all that do is follow my step-by-step method, you will never see this method anywhere else, guys. This is a secret method, guys, that only some marketers know about it. So we used this method in the last 3 years, making $200 to $300 per day. So why this method is better than paid traffic? Because you will get targeted free traffic. There is a lot of buyers out there waiting to buy what you will get offer for them. Thousands of real people to see your offer. Would you make money? Well, you are in luck because you have designed this to absolutely below other traffic method out of their water, while other traffic sources are downright annoying. This one is understood and absolutely basic. Don't worry, there is no Google ads, no solo ads, no blogging, and no YouTube, and no hard work and no assets. Get over $427 in your bonuses for free. When you get this affiliate marketing bonus, number one bonus for you free, guys, is copy of my cash secret cash $172, and bonus 2, guys, is ultimate passive income cost $128, guys. And bonus number 3, guys, the Facebook Messenger bot is cost for $127. So total bonuses will be absolutely free, guys, nothing to pay any money. But this bonus is limited time only, guys. So hurry up. You will start on making purchase today. You will get all the bonus in your inbox, guys. This is a game-changing traffic that source that abundant in the few killings, and its automatic traffic on demand is a matter of few clicks, and start sending free traffic directly to your offer. And that's it for this video, guys. This product also provide for this 30-day money back guarantee, guys. So your product will be safe, your money will be safe also. So you will try for this, guys. 100% risky problem, guys. So get it and take it action, and definitely you will making money in the future, in the past, or whatever it is. And all the best. And if you need any doubt or any clarification, give me your comment in my comment section. I will solve the questions and answers also, guys, and I will give the link in the description below, guys. You will check it out for this official website also, and after you will see this product really worth or not, and give your valuable comment and my comment section also. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.